Bonjour, c'est Claire at French in the Midlands. This is video number 3 about our French slang series, and it's all about expressions. So your first expression is on est mal. We're in trouble or we're in the shit. Please don't get that mixed up with on est malade, which means we're poorly. I do hear people say to me, je suis mal, and they mean I'm poorly, and it always makes me laugh because it's such a slang expression, and they don't know what they're saying. Obviously they mean malade and they say mal, and it just makes people laugh. Next one is t'as du pot. Obviously it should be tu as du pot, but I've written it down as we say it. T'as du pot. You're lucky. La ferme. It's shut up. You will also hear people say ferme-la, shut it. The order of la and ferme actually doesn't really matter. It works both ways. And of course, à fond la caisse. I love this one. It means really quickly. So you will hear, instead of saying, oh, the car drove past very quickly, you'd say la voiture est passée à fond la caisse. It means like as quickly as it can go. And of course, la caisse is another word for car, another slang word for car. And we previously saw the word bagnole. This is just another one. It's slightly more slang than bagnole, actually. Next one is que dalle. It means nothing or naffle in UK English. It's quite widely used. It's not rude. It's just a bit slangy, colloquial. The next one makes me laugh because you have this expression in English, in UK English, which is to make a French exit. We say to make an English exit. So filer à l'anglaise is your expression. If you want to say they left without telling anyone, ils ont filé à l'anglaise. It's exactly the same as a French exit. It just makes me laugh. It's a bit tit for tat, and I don't really know who started it. The third one is quite funny because it's elle en tient une couche for she's really stupid. It's funny because if you translate it literally, is she's really got a good layer on her, as in a good layer of stupidity. And that's just funny. I like it. The next one is what we say instead of fais attention. When you want to say be careful, we say fais gaffe. It's much easier to say than fais attention, so that's what we use. The next few are j'en ai marre or j'en ai ras-le-bol. You'll hear both. It means I'm fed up. Then on va s'en mettre plein la lampe, which is we're going to stuff our faces. So we tend to say that before Christmas or before going out to the restaurant. S'en mettre plein la lampe. Basically to stuff your lamp. Not sure why a lamp, but it's basically your head. Je m'en fous comme de ma première chemise. I really don't give a damn. It's one of those occasions where I actually prefer the French version because it's more graphic. It's I don't care like I care about my first shirt. As in, I don't remember my first shirt, so it doesn't really matter. And then when you want someone to spit something out, not literally, figuratively, come on, spit it out. Tell us everything. You would say, allez, crache le morceau. That's it for our expressions. Keep an eye out for the next one about verbs. Give us a like if you've enjoyed it and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. À bientôt.